أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman. Bi'iznillahi ta'ala, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, we are into the day 14th of this course, right, dear sisters and brothers here? Alhamdulillah, bi'iznillahi ta'ala, we are just 2 days to just end up this course, right? So we have learned so many things so far, right? So how did you all find this course? Did you benefit from it? Alhamdulillah, yes, days passed by so quickly, right? Alhamdulillah. So come on, let's head on to the today's session, inshallah. The fourth day of the training session. Today we are gonna learn more of the important steps, inshallah. So before just starting off with this session, I want you all to just just rectify your intentions, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Please rectify your intentions before we begin. Rectify your intention that this skill that you're learning is for the sake of Allah, inshallah. You are going to use this for the sake of Allah, inshallah. You're going to use this to serve the deen of Allah, for serve the deen of Allah, inshallah. So I want you all to just benefit the deen with this ability that you are learning, this talent that you're learning at this time, in this time, in this age. You have to benefit the ummah through you, right? Ummah has to benefit with you from you, right? So I want you all to just serve the ummah in a way that is helpful to everyone, inshallah ta'ala. So rectify your intentions and begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And let's continue this journey of being more productive with our smartphones, inshallah. Come on, start off with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So just quick recap on whatever we were dealing with in the last 4 classes. In the last 4 days, we were just learning, we were just training out, right? It is nothing but the special training sessions were given to you all. First we started off with the Quranic recitations, right, dear sisters and brothers? It was purely based on the Quranic tilawa videos that we just did the editings. And then in yesterday's class, or in the okay, it was 2 days earlier, it was based on the intro outro for the social handles, and also we learned how to use the templates that were in the kind master available already, right? And then we learned how to record Islamic reminders. And now, and alhamdulillah, in yesterday's class, we also learned something new. What was it? It was something like how to write whiteboard hand animation, right, dear sisters and brothers? Did you all find it great to go with? Did you all give it a try? Please type in the chat box. I want to know whether you all gave it a try. The hand animation. Come on. Did you all try it out? The whiteboard hand animation? It's actually good to go with. The animation thing is very it's kind of a curious topic that probably you all have found out, right? You can just work wonders with the things with the animation tool. Okay, inshallah. I want you all to work on the animation tool, inshallah. So what was yesterday's homework? So alhamdulillah, I've received your homework in a very professionally edited homeworks. Barakallahu feeki. All of the homeworks were excellent. It was really excellent, mashallah. So you all have reached a great level through this great level of editing. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers here. Alhamdulillah. So what next in today's class? We are gonna learn how to edit the breaking news content, breaking news videos. Probably you all might have received so many WhatsApp images, WhatsApp videos to go with, right? So when you receive the news videos, what you do is you just share it. You just share it, you just forward it to some of the groups. You just forward it to some of the groups, right? So the first and foremost duty of a Muslim is that verification, right? First you have to verify whether the content that you're sharing is true is correct or not, right? The first thing that you all have to do is verify. There is an ayah in the Quran that states, "Oh, you who believe, if anyone brings news to you, then what is the important thing is that you all have to verify it before you are sharing it, right?" So this is an important aspect that you all have to remember before sharing any forwarding any content. And one more thing is, sisters and brothers, you can create on your own news channels, or your own, if you have your own social handles, you can put up the Islamic news there, put up the Muslim world news there. Okay, how to edit such videos, inshallah we are going to learn that skill in today's class. Fine, how are you going to edit the breaking news content or something like that? Inshallah we're going to learn that skill. And also we will learn and also in today's class we are going to learn how to rotate or scroll the photos and videos or text or animation tool, inshallah. This is already discussed, and inshallah we'll learn it with the breaking news content, okay, inshallah ta'ala. So there's a doubt here. We need a list of audios, background in Arabic from where we can take. Okay, I have already shared a drive link for the audios. Fine. All audios have been shared there. The Arabic nasheeds and more. The drive link is shared in the group. Kindly take it. And then if you want to save something from the Pinterest to the gallery, what you have to do is you have to create an account on the Pinterest and click on the stuff that you want to download. Click on it and there will be something called as a download image or download video. Fine. You just have to download it and it will appear it on your media browser or the gallery. Fine. So this was the two questions that I had to read. Okay. Any more doubts? Inshallah, that will be dealt while we are into the session, into today's session. Okay, so all of you are ready with your kind masters open. Inshallah we are going to see how we are going to create the breaking news content. Okay, are you all ready with the two devices? One device to start off with the listen to this class, and one for the live practice. Yes please, I want you all to be very interactive in the session, dear sisters and brothers here. Come on, please type yes if you all are ready with the applications, inshallah. Have you all opened up the Kind Master? Okay. Come on, let's begin today's session. Inshallah, we are heading on to the creation of a new skill. Inshallah, we're gonna learn new skill in today's class. I want you all to just keep your Kind Master open, and inshallah, I'll just forward you some of the videos within a moment. Okay, it's being forwarded in the group. I just want you all to download it. Did you all download it up? Type yes. It's just the green screen content. We will learn how to do this with the green screen as well as the okay? Inshallah.
Recording in progress.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is your Kind Master for you all. Hope you all have downloaded the content that I've just now sent in the group. Yes or no? Yes, sisters and brothers? Alhamdulillah. Okay. So let me just start off. If you have any WhatsApp forwards, news, any news, just keep it ready for the class, inshallah. Keep any of the news ready for the class. Probably I do not have any news here now. I'll just see what I can put in, okay? Okay, just type as breaking news. Okay. So you all can create any of the content, right? One of the breaking news content, or you can just make the vlogging videos or something like that, or you just can make the cooking videos or something like that. For now, this is an important topic that just I wanted to deal with. Fine. How to create a breaking news content, and inshallah, I'll show you how to make use of some of the stickers to make use of this one and more. And you can use the same skill to make the logging videos or something like that, because this is the same as that, inshallah. So come on, import any of the projects. For example, if you have any videos of the WhatsApp forwards or something like that, please import it on the timeline, inshallah. Okay. Probably I do not have much of the stuffs on the WhatsApp. I'll see if there is any news content or something related to that. No, I do not have any of the WhatsApp forwards. If you all have any of the WhatsApp newses or something like that, please import it on the timeline, inshallah. Okay. Okay, there's a news here. Yes, there's some a WhatsApp forward here. I want you all to just import a news thing on your timeline. That's all. Import it up. And inshallah, I'll show you how we are just making the breaking news content in this, inshallah. So did you all do it? Kindly type any of the news or something like if there is an event coming. Okay, events I will be sharing it in coming sessions. But for now, I want you all to just make use of this any of the WhatsApp forward news or anything like that, inshallah. Import it on the timeline. Okay, just a moment. I'll have to offer. Okay. Okay, now what you all have to do is this is some news that it was probably it was based on there was a tunnel built inside a synagogue in USA probably. Yes, this was some WhatsApp forward. Okay, let me just edit with this itself. Okay, because I do not have any of the WhatsApp forwards, so I'll just take this one. Fine. This is a news. This was just broadcasted somewhere. It's just it was just available on the WhatsApp. So what should I do is what will I do is I want to just create I would just want to create a news with this. Okay, for example, this has just appeared on a WhatsApp timeline, WhatsApp videos. And first and foremost thing, dear sisters and brothers, you have to verify whether it is true or false before sharing it on your own social media or something like that. Okay, on your own platforms. Okay, this is an important aspect, dear sisters and brothers. Please verify it before we begin with, because in Islam you have to verify before forwarding any content. Correct? Because it is an ayah of the Quran. Oh, believers, do not share unless you verify it. O believers, if some transgressor brings you the news that requests taking action, verify it carefully before you believe and act upon it, okay? Lest you will harm the people in ignorance and then become regretful for what you have done, okay? So this is the ayah of the Quran. So important thing, you just have to verify before sharing. Next, okay, we are just going to start off with the content. How to create a content now? It's the same thing. We have just given you the green screen. We are applying two ways to do it. Okay, inshallah, you will learn two ways to do the editing. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, come on. The first way is I've given the 3 to 4 videos to you all, right? Probably it's the WhatsApp videos for you all. Just click on all of those and download it up. Have you all downloaded it? Please let me know whether you all have downloaded it. Yes or no? This was the news thing that sent to you all. Just download it up. Alhamdulillah. So go to the WhatsApp videos and just put it on the timeline. Put it as a layer, right? What you all have to do? Come on, type. You have to insert it as a layer, correct? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let me just take the first one. Okay, this is here. Okay, this is a breaking news thing. This is the video that we have. Okay, let me just play it and see how it is. Okay, this is how it is, right? So what we can do is we can just remove the green screen and put in the background video, the video inside this green screen content. Okay, and we can write it here. How to write the title and all, I'll just show you how to write the titles and more. Okay, for now, let me just put a green screen effect. Come on, create your own breaking news content, inshallah. I want to see beautiful contents created. Here, sisters and brothers, what are you going to do with this layer? You have to go to the chroma key to remove the green screen, correct? Just click on the chroma key and remove the green screen. Make it more opaque. You do not have to show any of the green screen content. So very important. Toggle this up properly. Yes, done. Now, how are you going to fit the back behind screen? You are just going to use the which tool, dear sisters and brothers? Pan and zoom tool, correct? Now, come on, fit it inside this breaking news. Okay, this is here. Chalo. So we have this one here. When it appears, it can appear in this way. This is the way it appears. Fine. The breaking news. I can just give it a shot for a shot to give it all inside one. I can just make some splits and I'll do it in this way. Just a moment. I should give it most of the options. I can give the apply the transitions, right? Let me just make some of the splits. I should cover 1 minute video into 30 seconds to give the breaking news stuff there, right? Let me just split it here and let this not be there. Okay, this much till 9 seconds because this is the base video is 9 seconds. I want it for the 9 seconds only. Okay, this much is enough. So let me apply some transitions between these videos, like a kind of it should seem like it is very breaking content. How to make it a breaking content? Crystal glass. Okay, you can give this effect. You can give some of the booming effects, kind of what we say strips. You just can apply whatever effects you want, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, do it along with me. We're just doing it together. Are you all finding it easy now? Probably by now you all have been finding all of the steps very easier, right? At the start, it was quite difficult to just deal with the green screen. Now, alhamdulillah, all of these steps are going easy to you all, right, dear sisters and brothers? All of this, see how beautiful content you can create but just by using a green screen, a graphically designed green screen video, and then you're just going to put up your own videos, and that's all. Or you also can make your own videos by making use of the sticker. I'll show you that option also. Okay, I'll show you that option also. You can just put up any of the breaking news content, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to share unique way of creating. I want you all to create unique breaking news content, inshallah. Let me just see how you all will work with this. Come on. So this is the first thing. Okay, what is majorly required? There should be a voiceover, right? How to give a voiceover, dear sisters and brothers? There is a recording option, dear sisters and brothers. I have already dealt with this, right? There is a recording option. What you all have to do is you have to just click on this recording option and give a voiceover. Try to give a voiceover. For example, if I open this up and I'll just play it up and just I can say the police in the New York just raided a synagogue and they found a tunnel inside. So this is the way you can just work with the news that is here. Okay, and also how to give the breaking news, how to make this more breaking is nothing but you have to write it somewhere. Write the short summary of whatever is being told, right? So important thing they have to write. How to write it? Come on, let me just write a text, and so it is in this format. Police in it was in USA probably. I do not know the news right now. Found a tunnel inside a synagogue. Synagogue. Fine. So this is the news. Hope you all are doing it along with me. I just want you all to do it along with me, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. You just can put up any content on your social handles. Fine. So you just can make such a beautiful content and put it. For example, you're sharing on the WhatsApp. You just create your own with your own brand logo and more. Create it with your own brand logo. You just put your logo on the top or the right. You just can share your own videos, for example. Like if I want to create with the EDU-SITE logo, I just put the EDU-SITE logo there, here and there, and just create a beautiful breaking news video, and just I can share it on my own handles. Fine. So this is how you create it, and you just have to mention the important aspects on the what I say on the titles that is given. These are the called as the lower thirds, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this is called as a lower third. Fine. So let me just change this font. Okay, the font for this matters. Okay, font for each and everything matters. For the breaking news, there should be a very highlighted font. Okay, and for the yesterday's class, it should be very. Yesterday it was about the short Islamic reminders, right? So I wanted you all to use the beautiful fonts. Okay, try to use the beautiful fonts that are matching with your content that you're producing. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, please be noted about it. Fine. So for now, probably I can take this one. I think it's good to go with this one. Okay, this is fine. Police news have found a tunnel inside the synagogue. Okay, this is fine. Okay, in this space that is here, it can be the timestamp that we can write on on this space. No, it's big news or something like this. Okay, now play it up and see how beautiful it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks in this way. Okay, this is how it looks. Now we'll design it with another what I say another green screen thing that I have sent to you all. Okay, come on, dear sisters and brothers. Do you all have downloaded it in the WhatsApp videos? Yes, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So next we have a bigger screen there. Come on, let me just put it as a layer. Okay, it is inserted. You can use the new project to make this, okay? With the second one. Okay. So what is the first thing? How to remove the green screen, dear sisters and brothers? Okay. I'll teach you how to create this green screen. Fine. This is green screen thing you can create by yourself. Fine. You can create this by yourself. It is quite easy. Probably you all have understood by now how they are creating this. They have just used the stickers on the top, on the bottom, and there's the lower third. They just gave the space and they have filled it with the green screen. That's all. Okay, this is the way. This is the next thing that we have. Fill it properly in the screen, dear sisters and brothers. I have found out that you all are just leaving the spaces and not making the pan and zoom option, not applying the pan and zoom option. For this news, dear sisters and brothers, what do I want? I want a text, correct? I want a text. Okay. Have you all seen in the breaking news, there's something, the text keeps rotating, rotating, rotating. How to do that? Please type how to do that. In the breaking news content, the text, what happens is text appears from the left of the screen, comes into the screen, leaves out of the screen. Yes. And it feels like it is moving, 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 and moving. So what they actually do is they write a long, yes, they actually, now by now you all have understood how to do this, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, it is quite easy to go with now, right? So this is the frame that we have. Now let me make it in such a way that it is just moving inside this. So I have to write so much text, right? For example, if I write for the text that they want to move in out of the screen, what they write is they write a longer line. Okay, for example, I'll just type something and something something. Okay, they have to write a long text to make it keep moving throughout the duration that they have assigned for this specific news. Okay, you should not press enter there. Fine. Okay, this is here. Now what you have to do, start off with which one? Which one, dear sisters and brothers? You have to start off with the thing called as in animation. Here you have to keep, and for the end of it, go to the end of it and click on the plus button, correct? Hope you all are getting it right. Click on the plus button and now move this text towards the end. How to move this text towards the end? Just keep it, make it move towards the end in this way. Now when you play it and see, it looks very beautiful. Okay, just a moment. I'll show you how beautifully it can appear after them. Okay, let it leave the screen at the end of it. Okay, probably you should give it in the same line, dear sisters and brothers. In your some of your animation, I have seen that the text moves here and there. You have to give it in the same line. You have to mark a line. Okay, mark a line. On that line itself, you have to make it move. For example, this content does not have a proper, so it is not seeming proper here. Okay, for example, let me just play it off and see. See here, this is how the news keeps going. Have you understood how we have just implemented this? Understood or not understood? How is this animation applied? This is how it is applied, correct? So this is how it is applied. And now let me just remove the green screen of this layer. So this is the green screen of the layer removed. How to remove it? Kindly type how to remove the green screen of this layer. Yes, with the chroma key, right? Alhamdulillah, by now you all have found it great to go with, right? You're keying out the green screen. Yes, by keying out the green screen, Alhamdulillah. You all have to pan and zoom again. Click on this one and pan and zoom this option again. Now you have a video of the aspect ratio. Now check the aspect ratio of this video. It is probably this much. Okay, we'll see at the end of it how it should look. It should be at least this much, right? So the end and the this one should be even. So let's just see what is it till the end. Okay, this is fine to go with. Okay, so this is an important option, the pan and zoom. If you do not pan and zoom, it appears blackish everywhere, right? So very important. So this is the minutes that it has. So it has till the 9 second, 1 minute 45 seconds. The duration is 1 minute 45 seconds. So when you play it and see, it is this way it looks, right? So it looks beautiful with the green screen thing that I've just sent. Okay, you can just try it out with other green screen things that I've sent to you all, other green screen videos. Dear sisters and brothers, please try it out. Okay, inshallah. Let me just see your homeworks, how well you have just understood this. Fine. So now I don't want to use the green screen. What I do is I'll just delete it. Okay, I'll delete it. I'll make a new project. Okay, I'll just make a new project. How to make the breaking news of your own way. Okay, you want it in your own way. You don't want to import any of the green screens. You can make your own such videos. What you'll do, for example, there is a news that you just got, WhatsApp forward you have just got, and you want to make a you just want to make a news out of it. How to make a news? First, what you do is you just take a news, you just put your own logo there, and you just have to give a voiceover to it, right? Voiceover to it, and then you just have to write some of the stickers. Put some of the stickers that this content is breaking or something like that. And also you have to put some lower threads, right? Lower threads are very important because it defines it gives a summary in total about the news that is there, news content that is there. Okay, let me just pan and zoom it. You can make the news in the aspect ratio that news is in. Okay, for example, if the aspect ratio of this video, the news video, was in 1 is to 16 is to 9, then you have to take the aspect ratio of the Instagram story itself, and then you can make a beautiful breaking news content. Inshallah, if time permits, I'll show you that as well. Okay, for now I have taken this aspect ratio. You can just fit the screen with this one. How to fit the screen with this one? Come on, make it in this way. And the last part, let me just make it in this way. Moving to the downwards. Okay, let it be here. Okay, anyhow, in your own way, you can just create your own content, but you have to be very specific when you're choosing the news. Okay, if you like some news, you just can share it on your social handles with your own tag, what we say, with your own logos, and something like that. Okay, so just instead of just forwarding the content, be your own creator. Okay, that's what the important thing that I want to say to you all. Okay, I have one more important thing. The news thing videos, the news videos, the breaking news videos and more will gain much of the importance to your channel. Okay, matlab the viewers will you will get more viewers when you post the breaking news content and more. Fine, just give it a try. Okay, for example, if there is a trending news that's going on, you can just put it up in the breaking news format and just can make a beautiful news out of it. And you can just give your own voiceover. You can just try it out. I have seen so many of the YouTube channels making the breaking news content just by using the mobile apps and just by using these 2 to 3 things in the breaking news and just giving the voiceover with that. Okay, you can all try it out. Okay, you just have to have some kind of curiosity in doing all of such stuffs. Fine. So come on, how to make a content of your own without using the green screen? Come on, what you all have to do is click on the stickers, dear sisters and brothers, and go to the marketplace, and you have to find some stickers. Find some stickers that are relevant to the news channels. Okay, come on, how will you all find the stickers? Just move here. If there are any stickers, look if there are any stickers that will suffice your need. So the need is the news. News is your need now. Now, come on, check the news content if you have any of the news content. The important thing, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to download some things like this, light line and all. This looks superb with your text, dear sisters and brothers. Download all of this contents, okay? Download this contents because you all are going to become the future video editors. I want you all to download this beautiful stuffs and keeps here. For example, if you're writing the codes in your this one, it's just of 1 MB, it's 1000 KB, that's all. It's just of 1 MB. Just download it and keep, dear sisters and brothers. This would be very helpful if you're just writing some codes and something like that. And also this lower thirds, okay? Before, the kind master didn't offer all of this stuff. Now all of these steps are offered in the kind master. I want you all to just make use of this steps. See here, you can just create your own kind of videos for the this one. See here how beautiful you can just create. It's just of 300 KB, okay? Even it's not even the half MB. Okay, and also the text here, dear sisters and brothers. There's a beautiful text. If you do not want the text yesterday, if you do not want to write the text by yourself, you just can make use of the text and titles that are there in the stickers. About how to change the stickers, text size, and more, even that I'll discuss in today's class. Fine. So let me just download this up as well. It's just of 300 KB, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to download it. Please download all of the stuffs because these are all important. Okay. Hope you all have seen something like the pop-ups and more. Do you all have you all seen such videos on the Instagram reels or something like that? How do they make it? They just make use of this pop-ups. Okay. Download this and keep and see how beautiful this looks. For example, if you want to search some content, if you want to write like search it here, search this one, so you can just make use of this one. Okay, search my name, search our YouTube channel on the Google. So what you have to do is you have to just write the name of your own handles there. Okay, so just download it and keep it just of 900 KB, not even the MB. Okay, then we have something like speed types. Download it and keep, and make use of all of this, dear sisters and brothers. These are excellent, what I say, excellent lower thirds and more here. There are excellent lower thirds. This will be very useful for the Quranic text, okay? For example, you just can write Al-Quran, the ayah number and something, and you can just write the translation here if you are playing any ayah. If you ayah number this one, translations here, okay? So we always make use of the lower thirds, okay? These are called as the lower thirds. Okay, lower thirds are very important for the Quranic tilawa videos. And also if there are lectures and you want to, or you want to just translate those lectures. For example, there is an Arabic bayan going on, or the speech going on. Then what you all have to do is, if you want to translate it up, you just can put a lower third and write the translation of each of it. Okay, so create your own content to benefit the ummah, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. So whatever knowledge you have, put it out to the world to watch, inshallah, so that you can benefit the ummah through this, and also ummah will benefit from this, inshallah. So this is the way you can just be your own creators, inshallah. So this the neon thing I already told you all. The neon things is actually working great today. It is on trend. The neon, what I say, lower thirds, neon writing and more. So you just can make use of all of this stuffs. Fine. So there are so many stickers available there, dear sisters and brothers. Download it and keep. And I want you all to download the breaking news stickers. Okay, there is a breaking news sticker somewhere here. I'll just show you. Okay, there's here. There's also a news time here. Okay, your news time. There's something called the news time. You can download it as well to write the news or something like that. If you want to edit the news, if you are interested in editing a news like stuff, you can just make use of this one. But I'm going to show you something different, where you will find the things like live news, the breaking news. This is the breaking news, and something like the lower thirds for it and more. Okay, let me just check it in the artist. Come on, check all of this. Okay, check all of this. The abstract. And the abstract, you will have something like splashing up buttons and more. This will also be helpful. Fine. So this is the third thing that is called as an action. In the action, just check this out, dear sisters and brothers. The error thing, this one and more. This all will be helpful if you're just going for the gaming content or more, something like that. Okay, probably brothers might be interested in creating the gaming videos and more, right, dear sisters and brothers? Okay, and also there's something called celebrations, and that you'll have some of the stuffs, Islamic stuffs. Okay, some of this and this kind. See here, you will have so many stuffs like this. You can download it and keep it for the future use. Okay, see if you like it, just download the things that you want and keep it for the future. Okay, hope you all are news subtitles. Yes, it is available. Yes, it is available. Just show you. Where is it? Okay, in the frames, probably there is something called as a news content. I want you all to download it up, inshallah. Neon frames, see all the frames you have, neon things and more. So download the thing that you like, inshallah. Okay, the hearts. Okay, someone had used the hearts content for making the videos. That looked excellent. Barakallahu fiki, mashallah. You can just go with it. The icons. Okay, there's also business icons, so you can just make use of all of this stuff. Then there's a line art. Okay, there are some neon city, neon logos, neon line arts, the reactions, the recreations. Come on, see if anything is of your likening. You can just download it up. Mm, the seasonal things, the special effects. Okay, the text accents. Okay, the text accents are very helpful for you. You're all the future designers, right? Future video editors, inshallah. Come on, make use of this text, different text if you want. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this was a neon borders. Hope you all have downloaded this neon borders, right? So these are beautiful borders, dear sisters and brothers. You can just make use of the neon borders and also the lower thirds, the receipt lower thirds. Okay, this one I wanted to show you all. Okay, if you are just going for the cooking logs or something like that, I want you all to download this and keep. This lower thirds will be very helpful for you all. For example, if you want to show the receipt or something there, where what you're putting on or inside, you can just see here. They have shown even the images how you can put this up. For today's cooking, it is in this way. You can just put it in this way. Today's cook, you can just put the photo at the first, and then you can put the receipt there, and then you can just put the how to cook there, and all of the receipt and the one stands there. Okay, if you're thinking of creating the cooking videos, just have to play the video behind, put your own logo there, and just you have to put your own voiceover and download this receipts lower thirds and keep, so that it will be helpful for you in the future use, for the future use. Fine. Okay, and also I had to tell you about something about even more of the cooking stuffs is here, more of the log stuffs is here, logging and more. Give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, and one more thing, there is a news line. Okay, just search for the news thing. Okay, probably in the search option it's not working, but I want you all to just search for the news sticker. So let me just see if it works on this search bar. Yes, it is here. The live news, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, download this live news. Search for the live news. It will be available. Just click on new. Okay, do not click on the enter after writing the search here. Just click on the new there, and there will be the live news content that is available. Come on, click on it and download it. Okay. So this is how beautiful you can just make your own way of breaking news content. Fine. So when you download this, it's probably 49.5 MB. It might take some time to download. You can just create a beautiful content through this. See here how beautifully even this one you can put up. You can put up the mics there. You can put up the microphones. So you can put up this breaking news line here. You can put up the background for this, and you can just make your own content like that, inshallah. So just download it and see if it's working great with you. Go with it, inshallah. I want you all to download this stuff, inshallah. Please download it along with me. If it's not downloading with me, I'll just show you with the green screens only. But I want you all to do it with this one. Okay? Are you all trying it out? Please type yes if you all are doing it along with me. So these are the videos that are available on the live news thing. Fine. The first video is editing by itself, so that will be fine to go with. And also the live news, the breaking news, and the next we have the some of the speakers and something like this content. Fine. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, we can just go with this one. If it's not working, we have some other ways to do this. Okay. Let me just close this up. Okay. So that was it. I just wanted to show you all how you have to create the your own what we say the lower thirds or your own backgrounds or your own green screen content for the breaking news, fine. So if you have the lower thirds, you can just go to the lower thirds and create your own lower thirds and write a news there. For example, if you have this one, put it up there and create a new, your own news. Okay, you just can make it blinking as such, like the breaking news content it shows up. You can just write your own way of the news headlines there. Okay, you have some news headline thing also in the stickers. If you have downloaded it all, you can just make use of those lower threads as well. Please check each and every lower thread and see how you beautifully you can create the content. See here, in this way you can just write the live news. Okay, and for the next thing, let me just see if I can show you some more aspects of this one. An important thing, dear sisters and brothers, that I wanted to show you all was how to change the stickers, how to change the text of the stickers. Okay, this was a question that was probably asked by most of you. Okay, well, I'll just show you with the news headline only. So let me just put this news headline. Okay, this is a news headline that is appearing here, fine. Okay, so you can write anything of your own. This is the live news, you can just write it as such, the live news that has appeared or something like that. Okay, this is the live news, and you can just give the whatever the name to this, and you just can write the text in it. Okay, you just have to write it by your own here, fine, because there's in the settings for this layer there is no text that is already assigned. For some layers there are text assigned. Okay, I'll show you how you have to assign the text that is already available on the layers, fine. So okay, this is an important thing that I wanted to show you all. Please listen carefully, inshallah. So how to assign your own text for the stickers. So this is a sticker that is here, fine. There's a drop sticker. Oh, okay, this is just for the petal burst. Is just dropping it up? No, this won't help us out. I want to show you how you're going to change this text for each and every sticker. So this is an important thing that you all have to learn. So this is the stickers. Let me just go to the neon speech, and you have this one, fine. Okay. This is something like this. Yes, it's just in brothers. Okay. How to insert your own text in this place. Fine. How to insert your own text in this place. There's nothing but what you all have to do is now you have to go to the sticker options. Go to the back here, but click on the stickers. And this sticker has something, three options here. Enter the text here. So how to place your own text is nothing but you just have to go to the properties. Okay. You just have to go to the properties and click on the first one and write your own text. Okay. Write in your text. For example, the way time flies by. Okay, this is in the first line. And the next line, let me write some other text, okay? Is frightening. Okay, so we have written two texts now. I can change the color of each text, okay? How to change the color of each text? You just have to click on the text and change its color. For example, let me just write it in the black format, okay? So it's black now. You can write it in the black again. Okay. Someone had asked me how to change the text font. How to change the text font? Just click on the text there. There is A at the right here. Click on the A button there, and this is how you change the font of the text. Understood? This is an important thing you all had to ask me. Fine. This is the way you have to change the font of the text. Click on the text. Is frightening. There is something on the right. Change the font of the text. Fine. This is how you do it. Okay. So this was an easy class, probably. This was an easy training session. Alhamdulillah. I want you all to just create it with your own WhatsApp forwards. Okay. If you have something in the news or the WhatsApp news or whatever WhatsApp videos, you just can take any of the WhatsApp forwards and create a beautiful news with it. Inshallah, let me see how well you have understood this concept. And you just have to remove the green screen content and create, or you all have to import the it from the stickers. Okay, you can use as many stickers as you want from the live news, the sticker thing that is there or available already on the KineMaster. Fine. So this is how you can make your own text by making use of the stickers, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, and you can increase the uh, this one size of it by just increasing the sticker size. Okay, so this was it that I had to deal with. And one more important aspect that I have told you all is nothing but how to rotate the text throughout the video. For example, we had just this content, this text here. How did we just rotate it throughout the video? Was nothing but we just moved it throughout by animating it, right? By animating it throughout the video. We just have to assign the keyframe for the start and the keyframe from the end, right? So this is it. So this was the green screen content that we had created from the green screen, right? So you just have to watch what was created, inshallah. It's probably going slow with my KineMaster. So this is how we created it, right? The last time. Fine. Okay, so here, isn't it looking like something played on the news channels? Yes, right? You can make an excellent content, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, we have a sticker. Please create with the sticker. I have already told you it was a live news sticker. It's not getting downloaded now for now because probably the speed of the internet is not matching with the content that I'm downloading along with the Zoom Meet. So just want to click on the write news there, and you will have a sticker there. Fine. I want you all to download the stickers and create a news with that. Fine. With the green screen thing, it is fine to go with, but with the stickers, it is beautiful to go with. Fine. Just download this app, inshallah. So it's taking much of my time to download this stuff. Fine. If it's possible with you, please download it. And what you have to do is it's same as the green screen. You just have to place the stickers above your video that you're generating. Place this live sticker, their live news, their breaking news, these two stickers. Try it out with this sticker as well. If you use this sticker, yes, sisters and brothers, you just can write the headings there. You just can write the headings like what the main summary of the news that you have that you have just implemented there, that you have just put it up there, and you just can move the fonts along. How to move the fonts? You just have to animate it throughout. Okay, animate it throughout the video. Fine, throughout the video. And also you can write this one. You just can put your own logos on the top and try it out with the EDU-SITE if you do not have your own logos. And also you can give one more thing. What one more thing? You can just give the audio also to it. Okay, what we call as a voice over to it. Okay, if you can just add your own voice over to it. Okay, let me see how beautiful content you will create. I'll show you some of the contents that my students have created with this stuff, inshallah, so that you all can give it a try. You can also put a subscribe button there, inshallah. So this content that you will create, inshallah, will look beautiful. So created with perfection, dear sisters and brothers. This was the session for today, alhamdulillah. So I just want you all to see some of the stuffs that few of the students have created. Okay, alhamdulillah. So some of the videos on this way you can create, your sisters and brothers. To see here, it was some of the content like this. You can just write the breaking news on the top, and there was a voiceover by a student here. Okay, the student had placed a voiceover here, so you also can create such a beautiful video. Isn't it like it's played on the news channel? Yes, right. So alhamdulillah, you all have learned this skill, dear sisters and brothers. What they all do is it's same thing. It's nothing but they keep a green screen and they just play their own videos that they have collected. And also how to put a journalist in front of the screen is nothing but they actually edit it with a green screen. They actually take the entire footage with the green screen behind. Okay, and then they just put it up inside this. That's all. Okay, so that's beautiful to edit the videos, dear sisters and brothers. This art, when you learn this art, it feels excellent to go with. Fine. So probably you all have by now I have understood this, have learned to just edit the videos excellently, right? Alhamdulillah. So just try it out with your own videos, with your own stuffs that is on the WhatsApp forwards. Try it out with the news that you have, inshallah. So this was the session for today. I want you all to just go through with the animation thing, okay? Animating the text there and also rotation of the text and more, okay? How to rotate the text, dear sisters and brothers? Do you all know how to rotate it in the screen? For example, I'll just put this one here. Okay, this is the photo that I have. How to pan and zoom this important aspect, please, dear sisters and brothers, click make a pan and zoom before going to edit this. Before editing it further, make a pan and zoom, because you have to fit in the aspect ratio, fine. Fit the aspect ratio with the image or video that you have inserted, fine. So this is a photo that we have, and I want you to rotate the text throughout the video. How to do that? Can you all tell me how to do that? Just write text. Bismillah. Okay, so this is the font that I have. Okay, you can just try it with this one, try it with this text also, and also you can try it with the stickers, yes, sisters and brothers. Okay, come on. I just wanted to show you how we all can go with this one. Fine. Let me do it with the sticker and not with the text. Let me just have a beautiful sticker to go with. Can the neon frames are not fine? Just a small sticker to write the no texts. No, we do not have much of the stickers. Probably any of it, if you have, you can just write it. Okay. For example, no, this one. Okay, opening lines. So this is here. Let me just see, this sticker is here. Fine. There is enter the text here. So how to enter the text inside the sticker, dear sisters and brothers? Click on the properties and write the text here. Fine. Write the text here. So this is written. You can change any of the fonts that you want. Change it to the Facon. Let it be this one. And click on OK. So this is the text that is here. Fine. So let me delete this text. So this is a sticker text. Okay. You can just borrow the stickers without changing the text animations, text for text options, or you can just make use of the stickers, already available stickers. So this is Bismillah that is here. I want to show you how you're rotating the text throughout. Fine. How to rotate the text throughout the video? First thing is, I want to just put it out from the outside screen. Fine, it has come in. So it is here. I will just click on the plus button and let me move it out of the screen. Okay. Plus button again here. Let me just bring it back into the screen. Okay. And the plus button. Let me again push it out of the screen. Okay. Plus button again. Let it come into the screen. Plus button again. I want to make this rotate. Okay. Important aspect. I want to make this rotate. So what I do is I just move till here. I just do some stuffs here again. Okay, this is an important thing that I wanted to teach you all. So this is, if I move it in this way, let me see whether it follows the path that I have done. So I've made it move out of the screen. I had made it come into the screen and again move out of the screen, again get it to the screen, again rotate and just move out. So this is how you can just make use of your own text to rotate. Okay, the rotation thing I just wanted to teach you. How to do that is nothing but it has not rotated in 360-degree. It has just rotated in 180-degree because I did not follow its path correctly. So to make this path right, you have to be very careful with the path that you have followed while using this sticker. Fine. Yes, yes, yes. You should have done it at the end of the sticker. Fine. So I'll just show you again. Okay, come on. So this is here. So this is the sticker that has appeared at this point. So where you are going to click on this positive button, the plus button, right? You all have to click on the plus button. Now you have to give it a path. For example, if you want to move it out of the screen, just put on the plus button and move it out of the screen. So from the start to the here, when it comes and it will move out of the screen. Okay. For example, I'll just do it again. So it is here for this one. For this point, for the 5th second, let me just move it out of the screen. So this is how it is moved out of the screen. And let me go to this, for 5th second, it should be out of the screen. I already told you, but you have to click on the plus there, fine. Then on the 7th second, click on the plus first and then move it out this side, fine. Come to the 8th second and put it back onto the center position, fine. It's on the center position. So this is an important aspect that I wanted to share with you all, how to rotate the text that you have. So have you all clicked on the plus button? So let it appear here. So now I want to make it rotate. So at this position, I want to keep it here. Okay. And on this position, I want to just make it move in this way. Okay. The next position, I want to make it this much rotation. On the next position, let me just rotate it again. Okay, on the next position, do it with the two fingers, dear sisters and brothers. It looks excellent to go with. Rotate it with your own two fingers. Okay, this is the speciality of the video editing apps on the smartphone, because with the smartphone you can work wonders, because you just make use of your two fingers and you just have a small screen to go with, right? So this is how we can just put it back into the screen, rotate it up in whatever fashion you want, in whatever sizes you want, and just bring it back to the screen. This looks beautiful, right? So try it out, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. The rotation stuff I wanted to teach in today's class, and also how to bring this text from outside of the screen to inside, using the breaking news content. And I want you all to just give a beautiful, submit a beautifully edited breaking news videos. Okay. So edit out for today's class. It was nothing but we just made use of the green screen stuffs that was already available, right? Alhamdulillah. And also please make use of the stickers. Okay, I want you all to make use of the sticker stuff, because it is not getting downloaded in my this one, because of the low network coverage here. So I just want you all to use that stuff that I have just told you from the stickers, fine. Live news, fine. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is a homework for today, and I want to just okay, take a lesson recap now, and if you have any doubts, just write the doubts in the chat box, so that inshallah we'll just end this session for today. In tomorrow's class, we are going to see some of the business promo videos. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just make use of the time. Inshallah, tomorrow we are just going to see the business promo videos. Fine. Can you please show me the text rotating in the news video? Okay, it's same as the as shown now, dear sisters or brother here. Okay, it's same as the text rotated on this one, the screen that I have done. You can just make use of that. What did I do at first is I just inserted a text, okay, and then just I gave a animation at a point, okay. For if the text was in this way, I just animated it in this way and gave a positive thing on the animation key, that I say the plus button, and then again rotate it on the 90-degree, and again a plus button, and again a plus button. So that is very important when you just animate the text, fine. So today we have just learned how to rotate the text, okay. I just wanted to discuss this topic as well, dear sisters and brothers here. The scrolling of the photos and the videos or the text with the animation. So I'll just show you now within 2 minutes. Okay, just bear for 2 to 3 minutes. Fine. So I'll just show you the stuff, how you're gonna rotate and move with the screens. Fine. So okay, alhamdulillah. So we were doing some video. Probably it didn't get here. Alhamdulillah. And some stickers, the breaking news properties are not working. Try it out with the stickers that I've given you, dear sisters and brothers. Try it out with the green screen content that I've given you. The breaking news, it will work with the sticker that I just told you, the live news sticker that was already available there. Fine. So with the animation, we just did this one, and I want to show you how you can animate the videos. For example, if you have a layer with the photo, with this photo, for example, this is the photo that is here. Okay, and I want to animate this throughout this. Okay, this thing I've not probably have not taught you before. So this is important aspect I want to teach you all. See here. This is the photo that is available here. Okay, I want to animate this photo inside this photo. How to animate this photo? Click on the plus button, move this here. Okay, click on the plus button, move this here. Click on the plus button, move it out of the screen. Click on the plus button, get it back into the screen if possible. You just have to give some place to for it to be there. Okay, okay, so this is how it is. Now come on, play it up and see how beautiful it is. So you can just make use of this important aspect of the animation for the videos and also with the photos. So this was the photo that we had. Now let me show you with the video. Fine, you can just animate the videos inside the videos, dear sisters and brothers. So an important aspect, dear sisters and brothers, I just want to show you something called as a scrolling. Okay, for example, this is here. So you want to run the news with the speed. You just have to decrease the content size. For example, if this is the text that you have, dear sisters or brothers, just speed it up. If you cannot speed it up, if it is a layer, you just have to decrease the duration. Decrease the duration, okay? Decrease its duration. Then it will run in speed. For example, you have to animate it, right? You all are animating it. So with the animation, decrease the duration of it. For example, this one is the content that I have. Fine. For this one, uh, I have to show this throughout the screen. Okay, so what I do, I have to do it till here, right? So now play it up and see. So this is how you are going to play the content. For example, if you have a Quran page number, a Quranic page, probably you all have seen that. They actually, some of the YouTube channels, what they do is they actually play the Quranic pages. What they do is they just insert one page on their screen. See how they actually edit the videos. So they insert a pages on the screen. This is just consider just this is the Quranic page or something like that. If you put it here, if you want to make it appear like all of this is reading out with the reciter. So how you have to do, how you have to scroll this text, it is nothing but in this way, right? So you have to give it an out animation as well, proper out animation for the videos and proper in animation. So this would be fine to go with. Come on, to see how beautiful it looks. Okay, follow it up with the audio. For example, audio is for 10 seconds. Go to move till the 10 seconds. Now see how much it plays up. It plays up till the 10 seconds. It plays up slowly. So this is how you actually slow down or increase its speed. So this is the way you can do it. Go with it, okay? So this was an important thing that I want to teach, okay? One is the rotation of the text, the scrolling of the text, and also the scrolling of the videos, rotating of the videos. You can just rotate these videos and more. You can just make use of the animation stuff and do wonders with your own content, okay? So this would be the homework, inshallah. You will be asked to share, you will all be asked to share any of the breaking news that is a WhatsApp forward or something like that, and you just have to create a breaking news video, and you have to share it with me, and I'll share one of the you can just share a Quranic recitation with the Quranic pages. I'll try to share that as well, inshallah. So this was a class for today, dear sisters and brothers. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me, and in tomorrow's class we are just going to learn a very important aspect, the business promo videos, okay? I want you all to be present for tomorrow's session, inshallah. In tomorrow's session, you are going to learn how to create the business promos, fine, inshallah. So if you have any of the flyers for upcoming business promotions, for your business promotion, you just can collect all of that and keep. And inshallah, tomorrow we'll see how we are going to edit the business promo videos. Inshallah, we'll make use of the green screen stuff and produce edit the videos, and also without the green screen we'll try to make some of the business promo videos, okay? So this was a class for today. It was a kind of an easy going class. We just had to produce a edit a breaking news content, and I just wanted to show you all this important aspect, dear sister, that the news that is running on your TVs, you can make that you can edit that very easily, right? Have you all found it very interesting to go with, right? Have you all found it interesting? Like the news that is running on the TV, you just can make use of those stuff, and you can just create a beautiful, beautiful footage for the news content, right? Alhamdulillah, yes, you all can do it by yourself, dear sisters and brothers. Everything is quite easier now, right? Whenever you come across any of the videos, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just look into it. Look into the aspects of the videos. What is being inserted there? What is there? So come on, tell me what is here. There's a text here with a beautiful font. There are some of the stickers here, simple stickers here. There is some sticker. This is the whiteboard that I've just extracted the photo, and I just they gave it a cropping and masking it up. And there's also a sticker, and there's also, you just have to go and examine each and everything that is being put it up on your screens, dear sisters and brothers. From now on, try to do that, because you are not just getting this skill, you are just getting the art of making the videos. You are learning the art of making the videos from others, right? If you just look into the content from the Instagram reels or something like that, just get inspired from there. Okay, get inspired from there to create more of the beautiful content, fine. Just get inspired from the videos that you find it eye catching or something like that. You can just import those skills from there, import those assets from there or something like that. You can just search for those assets and just put it up in your own videos and make a beautiful content, inshallah. So just look into this video. What does this photo frame has? It is nothing but, what does presentation has? It just has a sticker, a beautiful background, and there's some stuff like small stickers, and ayah there, and also the words there. It is in the PNG format that I have imported. This is the photo format that I've imported. You can just understand everything now, right, dear sisters and brothers? So this is the video editing skill that you all have learned in past 14 days, right? Alhamdulillah, by now you all have been very pro in this. Alhamdulillah, you all have developed this skill day by day. Barakallahu fiki, and alhamdulillah, you have reached a good level of editing. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers. With this, I just want to sign off from today's class. Inshallah, we'll meet again in tomorrow's class. Inshallah, bi'iznillahi ta'ala. Keep us in your prayers. Take care of yourself. Inshallah, I'll see you in tomorrow's class. Jazakumullah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters here.